Here's Kansas City's most accurate forecast from meteorologist Gerard Jabali.
One more day.
One day more.
One more day, and then we can see the chance for snow.
We are, but I know you haven't been to the plaza lighting yet since you
this
just
is
got
my
here,
first year.
and I know you're probably excited to try to make it out there for this,
I
and
am.
a lot of folks are. This is a big deal, so
I had no idea.
it's pretty
No
big.
clue.
So I know a lot of you folks might be wondering, what's it going to be looking like? Well, there are going to be some systems out here, and we're going to take you through it all right now and talk about what we can expect for Thanksgiving Day and the plaza lighting. It was gorgeous most of the weekend here. Lots of sunshine to come back, and our temperatures were easy to handle. We get another day, as you already heard, of this gorgeous weather as we've been seeing. Today's high temperatures reaching the 60s. We could easily see numbers just like this again tomorrow. We start out with it being fairly comfortable, and then we'll end it up very, very nice by the afternoon. Right now, we're kind of hanging on to some decent numbers still in the upper 40s to around 50 degrees downtown. A couple pockets of some chillier air like there near Lawrence and Chillicothe in the 30s. But we'll start out tomorrow likely somewhere in the low to mid 40s. Partly sunny skies, and well, it's going to be chilly, but by the late afternoon we should hit near 60 degrees. So this is going to be a pretty nice day, and I'm encouraging everybody to enjoy it while we can. I know there's a lot of folks that have a lot of plans moving into the end of the week, but that's when things start to get active around here. We have 3 storm systems now we're tracking here, and the first one's set to arrive starting Tuesday. Now, this one's not going to be the strongest, but it will be enough to bring us a good shot at some light to moderate rainfall here. It's going to be breezy enough. Now, we're going to get likely missed by all the snow off to our north and west. It's not impossible on the other side as it passes by late Tuesday night. We could get just a very brief snow shower, but nothing to accumulate really. And we get a little bit of a break on Wednesday until things start to get active again. So here's how Thursday's shaping up. Could start out with a rain or snow mix here. That's going to be Thursday morning through the afternoon. Eventually, we're thinking the warm air is going to creep in and take away whatever snow may be falling on Thursday evening. Now, this is how things are looking at the time being with the latest data, but some of it has been trying to show a lot of this kind of shrinking up or falling apart through the late evening, and that would be best case scenario for us here, where we only have to deal with some very light precipitation and cloudy skies. But look at this mess coming on Black Friday. A powerful storm system continuing to push into the plains, and that's going to lead to widespread rain across the entire plain states, all of Missouri, all of Kansas, all of Oklahoma, Nebraska, all the way through the Dakotas. It's just going to be a pretty big monster of a storm when it gets here, and that will definitely lead to good rain chances, at least on Friday. So, travel forecast first. If you have folks coming in or you're planning on leaving, well, here's where you can expect some possible trouble spots all the way through all the Appalachian Mountains and across parts of Florida into airports that may see the effects: Charlotte, Atlanta, Cleveland, Chicago. So these areas could have some delays, weather associated with it. So far, it looks like the middle of the country will be fairly decent on Wednesday, so no problems coming in or going out, but destinations on the East Coast and West Coast here, as you notice here, we have rain and even mountain snow coming our way. So Thanksgiving forecast, this is how it's looking. 35 degrees, and morning snow could be changing to light rain. Looks like a very good chance here. Now, this is what we need to have happen, and what we're hoping for here is that the precipitation will lighten up as the evening rolls on. The latest data doesn't quite show that, but we're not going to jump on board with it just yet. We've been consistently seeing it kind of falling apart a bit toward the evening. So a light drizzle is something you could easily expect here with some chilly temperatures, but we're just hoping that it's not a downpour throughout the whole event, which would certainly be bad if we had that the whole time. All right, 7-day forecast now. Tuesday is the first system. Wednesday, we have a break. Look at our temperatures fall, and it's going to stay pretty chilly all the way through. 35 with snow and light rain as we move through Thanksgiving. Friday is not going to be a fun day for people who still do shopping the old school way. And, well, it's kind of a good thing. At least we're not standing outside at 4 and 5 in the morning waiting to get in line. That would not be a very fun Black Friday if that was
I'm
me.
still old school, so if this deters anyone from fighting for those items.
She's tough. All right, so we'll see what you come out with. I'm
I know,
curious
right
to
now
see.
the pressure's on. Thank you, Gerard.